Final view shows serviced bullet train departing facility, gleaming and ready for service.
This massive facility is where high-speed trains undergo comprehensive servicing, guaranteeing safety and reliability.
Train scheduling system coordinates maintenance windows between revenue service runs. Sophisticated logistics ensure.
Look at the connection point here, seems slightly worn.
Yes, I see it. Logging the data now for replacement. The brake pad wear is uneven right here.
Yes, the left caliper might be sticking. We need to log that.
Check the wear on the primary suspension.
Copy that. Looks like we need to swap the damper.
Wheel reprofiling machines restore proper wheel profile using precision lathes, cutting worn metal, removing minimal material, while
231.12. Bearing mixer removes axle bearings, examining for pitting.
Brake system service inspects disc brakes, checking pad thickness, rotor condition, and hydraulic system and suspension component examination checks air springs, dampers, and linkages for leaks, wear, or damage, ensuring smooth ride quality at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour.
Spins. Carbon strip replacement installs new contact elements when wear indicators show remaining material insufficient for continued service.
Traction motor inspection examines electrical motors driving wheels, checking bearings, windings, and cooling systems.
Nuts. Gearbox maintenance drains lubricant, checking for metal particles indicating excessive wear. Oil analysis reveals component.
In control circuits.
Aerodynamic fairing maintenance inspects streamlined covers, protecting bogies and equipment from airflow. Damaged fairings.
Onboard Wi-Fi testing vice passenger in Singapore.
Three. 231.34. Toilet system service empties waste tanks, replenishes water and chemicals, and in
231.37 requires clear forward visibility. This crack needs immediate repair for safe operation.
Speedometer calibration verifies speed measurement accuracy.
To the engine.
GPS system testing validates positioning equipment used for passenger information displays and dispatch monitoring.
System verified. Deceleration sequence complete.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. The signal is green.
Radio check successful. Data link established.
Confirmed. Sierra Lima. Hold short of the junction. We have an eastbound priority.
The black box data confirms the system status. Software updates install latest control system software addressing bugs and adding features. 231.46. Diagnostic trouble code analysis reviews fault logs identifying recurring problems. Paint and graphics maintenance touches up exterior finishes, repairing chips and scratches, maintaining corporate livery.
Interior refurbishment replaces worn carpeting, seat upholstery, and wall panels during major overhauls, maintaining passenger environment quality.
231.49. Accessibility equipment testing verifies wheelchair lifts, accessible. .53. Ride quality monitoring analyzes acceleration data from on.
The thermal readout confirms a stable temperature spread throughout the carriage.
HVAC capacity is holding steady against the external cold.
Secure the straps now.
Straps are secure, ready to lift.
On 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Collision avoidance testing validates automatic train protection systems using test scenarios, ensuring trains automatically brake.
We've reached the calibrated weight limit. Suspension seems good.
Yes, structural capacity verified, meets all design specifications.
Irritability has out. Electric current with them. They try to work exactly. And vice versa.
Soon. By processing sensor data and maintenance records, we forecast component failures, enabling proactive replacement.
Spare parts inventory management maintains critical component stocks, ensuring rapid repair turnaround.
Component Overhaul Workshop rebuilds traction motors, transformers, and compressors.
There's a persistent error code here at the main interface.
I see it. Let me try recalibrating the input parameters now.
Wheel lathe facility reprofiles wheel treads, restoring proper dimensions. Precision machining equipment operates.
Component washing station cleans parts before inspection and reassembly, removing grease and contaminants.
Control. Thoughts until one system. Documentation sifters.
Walk me through the brake assembly check for 23173.
We've ensured the pressure metrics are stable and the pad wear is minimal.
Confirmed. The maintenance is approved.
Regulatory 74. Regulatory compliance verification ensures maintenance practices meet government railways.
How does the regenerative braking system integrate at this point?
It charges the main battery, optimizing energy efficiency.
Simulator training provides realistic scenarios without disrupt training environment.
So the issue was the calibration sequence.
Yes, and the diagnostic confirms the new actuator is fully covered under the revised warranty agreement.
The analysis shows recurring failures right here, systematic stress fractures. Okay.
The design improvement prevents repeat problems across the entire fleet.
131. 231.80. Modification programs implement running changes addressing design weaknesses or incorporate.
Life extension programs comprehensively refurbish aging trains, replacing worn systems with modern equipment.
Midlife overhaul projects completely disassemble train sets, performing comprehensive restoration including
Accident repair capability rebuilds train sets damaged in collisions or derailments. Specialized skills and equipment restore.
Make sure this drum is logged before we move it to the filtration system.
Already done. Everything is tagged and tracked.
Energy efficiency measures implement LED lighting, heat recovery, and optimized equipment operation.
Water recycling systems treat and reuse train washing water, reducing consumption and wastewater discharge.
Make sure the isolation point is secured.
Verified, boss. Tag is attached.
Good work. Safety first.
Shift coordination operates facility continuously across multiple shifts, maintaining trains around the clock, matching intense.
This approach lets us handle the specialized components efficiently.
Right, accessing your expertise means we don't need to maintain that specialty internally.
It's a solid plan.
Completeness. Performance metrics track maintenance efficiency, measuring downtime, repair costs, and reliability, guiding continuous improvement.
Budget management balances maintenance quality against costs, allocating resources effectively. Financial discipline ensures
Fleet availability optimization maximizes trains available for service through efficient scheduling and rapid turnaround.
Reliability engineering analyzes failure patterns, implementing improvements that increase mean time between failures. Data-driven approach. Technology adoption incorporates new diagnostic tools, automated systems, and advanced materials, improving maintenance.
Collaboration with operations maintains dialogue between maintenance and service planning departments, ensuring maintenance needs considered.
231.97. Customer impact awareness recognizes maintenance quality directly affects passenger experience.
Historical preservation maintains heritage high-speed trains, documenting early generations. Museum
Continuous improvement culture embraces lessons learned, seeking incremental advances, regular review of practices and outcomes.
Industry benchmarking compares performance against other high-speed rail operators worldwide.
The ultrasound array is fully calibrated. Starting the sequence now.
Look at that data stream. 203.1002. Sustainability reporting documents environmental performance measuring energy use, waste.
And this infrastructure allows for much faster yet quieter service for the community.
I appreciate you explaining the details. It makes a lot of sense now.
Economic contribution recognizes maintenance facility employment and local procurement supporting regional economy. Skilled jobs and business opportunities benefit communities hosting railway infrastructure.
This interface monitors the power systems in real time. Pay close attention to the energy flow metrics.
Right, I see the fluctuations you mentioned.
Diversity initiatives build inclusive workforce, reflecting communities served, varied perspectives and backgrounds.
Innovation awards recognize employee suggestions, improving processes.
Congratulations on this outstanding safety achievement. Your commitment to vigilance sets the standard.
Thank you. We're proud to contribute to our strong safety culture.
Quality awards acknowledge exemplary maintenance work, celebrating excellence, encouraging pride in work.
When you adjust this dial, the system stabilizes the frequency right here.
Okay, I see. And the calibration sequence?
That's automated once you tap the screen.
You've got it.
But all thanks. Rapid turbines plus 2 seconds eruption.
Cable's connected. Powering up the mobile unit now.
Systems check is green. We are back online.
Pandemic response, adapted operations during COVID-19, implementing health protocols and enhanced sanitization.
The diagnostics look good. The new system is far more efficient.
Agreed. The magnetic coils are fully calibrated.
Knowledge management captures institutional expertise, documenting procedures and best practices. Systematic knowledge.
International standards compliance follows. Regulatory evolution adapts to changing safety requirements, updating procedures as standards evolve. Proactive.
Public transparency offers facility tours and open houses, educating community about high-speed rail operations.
This facility represents a significant leap forward in rail technology. It's this kind of investment.
These partnerships are crucial for bringing new talent into the industry.
And this is the main power unit.
The data predicts the optimal maintenance schedule here.
231.126. Legacy appreciation honors decades of safe, reliable service maintaining.
Final view shows serviced bullet train departing facility, gleaming and ready for service. Comprehensive